Hi, I'm Dr. Kat. I am a clinical psychologist and narcissism coach. Please join me in supporting narcissistic abuse victims by subscribing, liking, and commenting. In this video, I will discuss 10 strategies to help you heal from narcissistic abuse. Healing from narcissistic abuse can be a very difficult journey of self-restoration and psychological recovery. Survivors often carry the scars of emotional manipulation and endure the lasting effects of toxic relationships. Let's discuss 10 strategies for healing, along with some explanations and guidance. Number 1, understanding the abuse. Narcissistic abuse is a deliberate pattern of emotional, psychological, and sometimes physical harm inflicted by narcissists. If you are a survivor, you must first grasp the dynamics of narcissistic abuse to validate your experiences and recognize the calculated manipulation you have endured. This understanding serves as a foundation for healing by shifting the focus from self-blame to self-empowerment. You need to also understand any childhood trauma that might have rendered you more susceptible to the abuse. Number 2 is recognizing manipulation tactics. Manipulation tactics are the tools that narcissists wield to control and dominate their victims. These tactics encompass gaslighting, which is reality distortion, love bombing, which essentially is excessive affection, and projection, which is accusing victims of the narcissist's behaviors. By recognizing some of these tactics, you can liberate yourself from the manipulative cycle and regain your sense of self. Awareness is the first step toward breaking free from the narcissist's web of control. Next is establishing boundaries for self-preservation. Survivors of narcissistic abuse often struggle with setting and enforcing boundaries due to the erosion of self-worth. Learning to define, communicate, and uphold boundaries is paramount for self-preservation and the reconstruction of your self-esteem. Boundaries safeguard emotional well-being, ensuring that you are not subjected to further harm. Next is practicing self-care as a nurturing practice. Self-care is the cornerstone of healing. It involves recognizing and attending to one's unique needs for physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. Survivors should prioritize self-nurturing practices, which may include therapy, coaching with the narcissism expert, exercise, creative outlets, or simply allocating time for self-reflection. Self-care fosters self-compassion and promotes healing on those multiple levels. Next is rebuilding self-esteem and self-compassion, how to do it. Narcissistic abuse leaves survivors with fractured self-esteem and self-doubt. Rebuilding self-esteem necessitates challenging negative beliefs and replacing them with positive, truthful beliefs. Survivors must acknowledge their strengths and achievements, fostering a renewed sense of self-worth. Self-affirmation and positive self-talk to counteract the negative messages by the narcissist are essential tools on this path to healing. Next is building a support system. A robust support system is an invaluable resource for healing. Survivors should seek out trustworthy individuals who can offer emotional support, empathy, and understanding. Establishing boundaries within these relationships with narcissists ensures that you receive the care you need without compromising your emotional well-being. A support system provides validation and reinforces that you are not alone on your journey. Next is processing and overcoming post-traumatic stress symptoms. Post-trauma stress often lingers as a consequence of narcissistic abuse. Processing and overcoming these traumatic experiences is absolutely essential for healing. You must recognize that your trauma responses, which can manifest as flashbacks, anxiety, hypervigilance, etc., these are all very common responses to narcissistic abuse. Trauma-informed therapy provides the necessary tools to navigate these symptoms and experiences and embark on a journey of post-traumatic growth. Next is rebuilding trust in yourself and others. Rebuilding trust is a complex but crucial aspect of recovery. Survivors should focus on self-trust, respecting your intuition and boundaries. Trust in relationships should be approached cautiously and taking the time to assess your emotional safety. Therapy that addresses trust-related issues can be particularly beneficial in this process. Next is thriving and rediscovering joy. The ultimate goal of healing is not merely recovery, but thriving. Survivors can achieve this by embracing psychological growth, engaging in positive practices such as gratitude and mindfulness, and actively seeking out sources of joy and fulfillment. This phase of healing represents a connection with one's true, authentic self and a return to a life characterized by well-being and happiness. Next is seeking professional help. Seeking professional therapy or coaching plays a vital role in the healing process. A narcissism therapist or coach can provide expert guidance, support, and specialized techniques to help you navigate the complexities of healing from narcissistic abuse. Therapy or coaching offers a safe space for survivors to process their experiences, gain insight, and develop coping strategies tailored to your unique needs. These strategies can offer a roadmap to healing from narcissistic abuse. By understanding the abuse, recognizing manipulation tactics, establishing necessary boundaries, practicing self-care and self-compassion, rebuilding self-esteem, building a support system, processing trauma, rebuilding trust, and all of this can be done within a professional environment with a narcissistic coach or therapist. Survivors can finally embark on a transformative journey of psychological recovery and self-empowerment. This path is marked by resilience, self-discovery, and the restoration of psychological well-being and self-compassion. If you like this video, again, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment about your own experience healing from narcissistic abuse so we can all learn from and help each other. If you would like to schedule a consultation with me, I will leave a link to my website down below. Till next time.